Hi everyone, welcome back to Simply Chill. As we are in the festive season, Diwali is just around the corner. So I'm going to make a simple chocolate peda. All we need is 1.5 cup of milk powder, 1 cup of condensed milk, 3 teaspoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and pistachios to garnish. Here we go with the preparation. I am using a thick bottomed pan and I'm using half the portion of the ghee to grease the pan and start the preparation. So while the ghee was melting, I've added the cocoa powder, the milk powder and the condensed milk. Now I've added all 3 of the ingredients together. You got to keep stirring and making sure that all of the 3 ingredients are mixed well and cook until they leave the sides. Now the peda is almost ready. You add 1 more teaspoon of ghee and give it a good stir and watch for it to leave the sides. So now the paste for peda is leaving its side. The base is ready. Now we will let this cool for 2 to 3 minutes and start forming shapes. So the base for the peda is ready. I'm letting this sit in a bowl for 2 to 3 minutes, and after this we will start forming shapes. So the mixture now is come to room temperature, but please be reminded that it's still warm to the touch. You got to make sure you wash and sanitize your hand, after which apply a bit of ghee on your palm, form shapes and garnish with pistachios. So I am applying a bit of ghee on my palm to make sure that the mixture doesn't fix on my palm. I take the desired quantity that I need to make the shape that I'm looking for. Form smooth round shapes. Garnish, and there we are. So here we have it. Our chocolate pedas are ready. These may appear sticky for the next 3 to 4 hours. Set them aside, cool and enjoy. The next video that I'm making will be coconut laddus, and if you like what I cook, like the channel, share the channel, and do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Have a safe Diwali and enjoy. Bon appetit everyone.